If you like fish and wildlife content, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. A Washington State Fish and Wildlife officer was patrolling an area closed to fishing due to its proximity to a hatchery. As he made his way down a footpath, he found 4 Chinook salmon on a stringer. He began searching the area and he heard someone running through thick brush followed by a loud splash. He continued searching the area and found another stringer with 3 more Chinook salmon.
Please come out with your hands up now! There's someone out here and they might be trying to make their way back. And for information, they're going to be wet. Police! Come out with your hands up now! I know you're out here and another unit's at the hatchery, so I don't know where you're going to go. Show yourself. All right, I'm going to take your backpack and all your gear and all your fish.
I'll be walking back off by you guys down there. I might be walking just you guys
Okay.
fell in at the scope and I was trying to get a drink.
All right.
I'm
You
walking
fell
back.
in at
Yeah.
the Skoke while you're trying to get a drink.
On the way by, I tried climbing down that little steep side on the other side of the trail.
Okay.
And I just was hanging there and I tried dropping and I slipped. I got soaked. I mean,
Okay.
you know, it's miserable. So
All right.
I'm walking back to town. I'm
All
not doing anything else out here.
right.
Yeah, I
Okay.
kicked
What's
out
in
the
your
car.
pocket there?
Oh, right here. I
Yeah.
found this on the road.
Found that on the road?
Right there on the shoulder, right down there on the bridge.
That's a fish stringer.
No, it's not. I don't think. I just found it on the road. I picked it up. I collect things like this.
Okay. Can I see that?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm not a fisherman. I don't even like fishing.
Why is this wet?
Because I'm soaked.
Okay.
Man, I just feel my pockets inside out wet. The only thing else I got in my pocket is a pocket knife. And that's all I got.
All right. Do you have your ID on you?
I don't have my ID, sir.
Okay. What's your name?
My name's James. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Fuck morning as it is.
I got you, Jack. Got you.
How you doing?
Good. I'm Officer Wadman.
Hi.
You said your last name is. All right. I don't need this.
Yeah, I don't know what you guys are thinking I did, but I haven't done nothing today.
All right. It's just weird. There was someone down by the hatchery, below the hatchery, snagging fish,
Oh, okay, but it wasn't me. So.
and they ran from me
Okay.
in the middle of the dark.
It wasn't me.
Well, just let me speak.
Well, I know, but I mean,
They ran for me in the middle of the night or in the middle of the dark out. I hear a crash and a big splash. Okay?
Yeah.
Don't see anybody. You come walking up the road
from way up
from
there.
the hatchery.
No, from
Someone saw you walking up this hill on the side of 101
on this road.
and you're soaking wet.
I'm soaking wet because I fell in at the scope back there trying to get a drink of water, man. I mean, I'm not trying to sugarcoat nothing here. I'm not a fisher. I don't have any reason to be fishing. I don't even like fish. So, I mean, it's not me, man. I mean, I wasn't the guy, dude. If it was, I mean, I would, obviously, I don't know. It wasn't me, man. I'm sorry. I mean, I know you think what you want, but I didn't do nothing wrong. I'm just trying to.
Why don't you just tell me the truth?
I am telling you the truth.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
I am too.
No, you're not.
Okay, well, I don't understand why you're calling me a liar. I'm not a liar.
Okay. It's too many circumstances to be happening at once.
Man, I'm telling you right now, I'm having a bad day as it is. I'm just walking back to town.
Where do you live?
I live on 6, I don't know exact address, 1 mile out of Arcadia from Chevron, going out of Arcadia. 1 mile to the top of the hill, I live with the Hewitts. I just moved in there.
Okay. So what brought you all the way down here?
Oh, I was at a hood sport. I was going to work. I got in an argument. They turned around to bring me back in and sold them the off. I hopped out, started walking right there before the Skoke, pull out before a little bridge before I start walking back.
Where do you work at?
I do landscape.
You do a landscape?
Yeah.
For who?
Well, for several people, but I was just going to do a side job with my friend Dax.
Okay.
Yeah, to this morning. And I don't know, why I'm the guy for fishing. I don't fish. I don't even like fishing.
Why are your hands all muddy?
Man, I just.
You mind setting that stuff down and just show me your palms real quick?
Yeah, no problem. I just scratched and pawed my way out of the fucking water to get out. I fell in at the bridge, man. There's like on the other side of the scope. Dude, I was just trying to go down and get a drink, and I was hanging there. I was going to drop and land. I fell off and in. I pawed my way out of there, man. I mean, look, I'm telling you, it was a nightmare. I'm having a rough go with this.
Why, to get a drink from the Skoke River, why would you hang from the bridge?
Because I want the trail.
Just listen to me.
Okay.
There's multiple roads.
Okay, well, the one trail
that
I was
go directly
on
to
the
the
side
water's
there was a
edge.
nice trail heading down until it was, is all I'm saying. And I hopped down. I thought I could make the jump. And if I would have jumped, I had a landing pad from me to you wide at the bottom there, a little bank, and then I could have went under the bridge and got my drink.
Okay, so you were on the path.
Yeah, I was on the walking path through.
Okay. And then you decided to hang from the bridge
Well, I
and fell
wasn't
into
decided
the
to hang.
water.
I was going to jump off there, and it didn't go good. I'm just saying, it's not good. I pawed my way out of there, scratched it up. I went up the other side, climbed up, crossed the road, and went across the bridge to get out of there. And it wasn't easy. I mean, I tell you, it's everything I had. I'm dude, miserable. I'm soaked.
All right, hang tight.
Yes, sir.
In front of my truck for me. You're
Sure.
detained. You're not free to leave yet. Okay. I don't believe his story for a second.
Oh, no. No, and that's a fish stringer right there.
Yeah. I'm asking him if that's his backpack.
I mean, what's he gonna say?
No. It's not my backpack. It's definitely a fish stringer, dude.
I just don't see any blood on it or anything like that.
It's because he hadn't used it yet. Hey, James.
Yeah, sure.
Can you come here for a second?
Yeah.
Is that your backpack? No? Where's your wallet at?
I don't own a wallet. I applied for a new ID. Just it's supposed to be in the mail. It's supposed to be coming. I just moved into the house I'm in now. I've been homeless for 12 years. First time I've been in a house in 12 years right now.
Mm-hmm.
2 weeks in, they made me go get my ID right away. I don't have an ID.
Okay. Can you do me a favor and just empty your pockets?
Absolutely. Yeah, I mean, I didn't do anything like of the sort go fishing. I'm not even a fisherman. That's it. That's all I got.
Can I take a look at this?
Go ahead.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I don't fish. I don't even like fish.
Well, you don't have to like fish to kill fish.
Oh yeah, well, I'm not going to kill any fish for no reason. I mean, I don't even have a vehicle right now. You know, it's not like I don't drive a car. I don't have a license.
So how'd you get to Hood Sport?
I was with my friend Dax. We were riding in his 4Runner this morning. We got in a fucking argument, and the guy's just a spaz case. I said, "F you, man, take me home." He said, told me I cost him a fucking good part of the morning. He got a little, just yelling, screaming match. I just said I can't take it. I got out and started walking.
Who is that?
Dax.
Dax.
Yeah, I don't know his last name.
You don't know his last name,
No,
but your buddies and you're
no,
working
not
with
one of
him?
my buddy. I met him at a barbecue 2 days ago. We were at a party on Mill Creek Road, and I met him there. And he offered me some work, and I needed it. So, I mean, I still need the work. It's not like I don't, but yeah, no, I'm not out there fishing or doing nothing like that. Sorry, I mean, I promise. I mean, I'm not the guy. I wish I was. I'm just having a bad day, and I don't know how to even get it. You know, I'll explain that even more than you guys. Obviously, I got a long walk, but
All right.
I'm not a fisherman.
Can I take another look at your hands?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm working, man. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't have any fish on me or nothing like that. I'm not fishing. I mean, I don't fish. So, I mean,
All right.
I'm sorry. I wish I could help you, man. I mean, I don't want to be accused of something I'm not doing. And I promise, I mean, I do everything I can to stay as good as I can. And I'm not going to be out there doing something right now at this point in my life. Jeopardize anything. Apologize for anything, any inconvenience. I mean,
Okay.
you can check me out. I don't get my fishing license. I don't do anything like that. I mean, I don't know why.
You've never had any prior violations with us at all?
No, I haven't. And I try to stay law-abiding. So,
All right.
I mean that. So.
Okay. Go ahead and you could take your knife and stand in back in front of the truck for me.
You good to go?
Yeah.
All right, James. Hey, thanks for your patience.
Hey man, I'm sorry guys.
Have a
Have a good day, guys.
The officers later searched the backpack and found additional evidence that it was used while the salmon were being harvested and discovered a Walmart receipt. They pulled Walmart's surveillance footage and observed the suspect purchasing the items contained in the backpack while being in possession of the bag.
This is the house he described when he was talking to us. He said the red house on top of the hill. Hello.
Hey, howdy.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good. I'm Officer Schrader, Fish and Wildlife Police. Just to let you know I'm Officer Schrader, Fish and Wildlife Police.
Officer
Just
Fish and
Schrader.
Wildlife? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Schrader? Yeah, how you doing?
Good. Just so you know, our body cameras are on.
Yeah.
Does James still live here?
Nope.
Nope.
Hey, he comes by here, helps me out once in a while. That's about it.
Okay. All right. Do you know where he lives? He said he lived up here.
I know he lives. He lived right across from Wallace and Elan over there. That field over there on the other side, right along the power lines.
Okay.
He was over there. He stays here once in a while, but he doesn't actually live here.
Okay. He said he was living here.
Yeah.
And
No, he's not here.
his DOL return comes back here.
I haven't seen
Okay.
him for days. Yeah. He showed up here yesterday, or the day yesterday evening.
Was it? Yeah, yesterday evening, but
Yeah.
he's been gone for I don't know how long.
Okay. Do you have his contact number by chance or his phone?
Nope. I got
Okay.
his phone number, but I was told that he lost it. You guys got it or something.
Oh, he told you he got
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's what he told me.
I tried to call him the other day, and
He told you that yesterday?
Yeah. When he,
Okay.
yeah. Actually,
Okay.
yeah, yesterday evening.
Okay. What's your name?
My name's Bill. Yeah.
All right, I appreciate that.
No problem.
Appreciate the information also. Would you, by chance, be able to give this to him? Does he come
Yeah, I
around
could.
that often?
Yeah, well, I'm sure I'll see him if not within a couple of days. I usually see him if he disappears, it's a couple of days he comes back.
Okay, it's just the return of service. The items that we took from his backpack and his backpack. Okay.
Okay.
But if you would be able to, you have your pen, Nelson.
Yeah.
I'll make an edit to this real quick. Okay. Yeah, if you could just go ahead and give that to him, that'd be fantastic. Just so make sure he gets it.
All right.
Yeah, if he comes back, if he comes over every couple of days or so, that'd be great.
He does.
Okay.
And
Awesome.
then that's it?
Yeah, are you guys related to him at all, or just
Nope.
friends, family
I'm
friends?
acquaintance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just met him like less than a year ago,
Oh, okay.
Trying to help me
and
out.
I stay
get his-
here.
No. All right.
Okay. Cool.
Did he mention anything else to you, or?
No, he just said that you guys had his backpack, or he thought you had his backpack or something.
Okay.
And then had him handcuffed for a while or something.
Oh, well, we
I
didn't
just-
cuff him or anything.
Some of
We
it,
were
I
just
don't
talking to
know
him. Okay.
what to believe.
Wildlife 122. Yeah. So, yeah, just tell him we got his stuff, and
Okay.
if he has any questions, the search warrant information is posted right
Yeah.
here.
26.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
25-73, and
Okay.
that'll be in reference to the case number and all that stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Is your name on here at all? Or
What's
you-
that?
Is your name on here at all?
Yes. So I signed the bottom of it, or the back of it here, right there.
Perfect.
Yep.
Good deal.
All right.
Well, you guys take it easy.
Thanks, you
I
too.
know, I do know it's hectic out there.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much.
According to online reports, the agency intended to refer the charges to the local prosecutor's office. The charges included recreational fishing in the first degree for fishing in a closed area and being over limit, wastage of salmon, failure to submit license and catch for inspection, and fishing without a license. After failing to find any court records online, we called the prosecutor's office and we were told that they have no record of this incident ever being forwarded to them. If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to ArrestCam. As always, thanks for watching.